Hello and welcome to today's video. Now today I'm in Durham and I'm in the marketplace here. As you can see over there, the historic market tavern is just over there where next to the market hall. St Nicholas's church is just there next to the town hall. There's a various number of statues here and Neptune just over here. And today we're just having a bit of a wander around. It's a bit of a wing it video, to be honest, because it's freezing cold out here, and I think my wife's just in the market hall having a mooch, and then we're going to go up to the cathedral, have a look around, hopefully get my drone up and get some of the exterior of that cathedral as well. So we'll have a look inside the cathedral and then maybe go for some fish and chips afterwards. How does that sound? Anyway, if you fancy joining me, get your shoes on, get your coat on, definitely get your coat on because it's absolutely freezing here. If you're watching from Canada, it's lukewarm, it's not that cold. And let's go, check it out. So as you can see, I'm just outside Durham Cathedral. It was built in 1093 and completed in 1133, and it's Norman architecture. Should we go and have a look inside? Let's go and check it out. Now, as I've already done a video, you can go and check that on my channel. I didn't film loads and tell you loads of facts and figures and things like that. But what I'll do now is I'll get the drone up and I'll show you the exterior of this cathedral and just see how magnificent it is, and just see the surrounding area. Just looks stunning, don't you think? So check that out now. So it's quite windy up there. When I got the drone up, it was flying all over the place, but hopefully I've got decent enough footage for you to see all the different sort of heights, angles, all the architecture, gargoyles and the likes. And yeah, it was really nice being in there and just seeing it. Every time I come, I always notice something a bit different about the place, so it's great to visit. It's free of charge, but you can leave a donation if you want to. It goes towards the upkeep of the cathedral itself. Now I'm going to be going back into the marketplace and having a little bit of a mooch, and yeah, maybe go for some fish and chips later. Do you fancy it? So as well as the cathedral, which is behind me, there is the Durham Castle here. I'm not entirely sure of how much it is to get in, but I'll put that below in the description below on the screen to let you know. But I've been in before and it's fantastic inside. It's got all the old woodwork and a bit of history about it, and possibly even haunted. I think everything around there is haunted, isn't it? As soon as it's like 12th sort of century or whatever like that, it's always, oh, this is the most haunted place ever. But yeah, so there's the castle just behind me, and then the cathedral just behind me there. And yeah, we're just having a wander in. But as you can see, when you walk down here, you can just see all the lovely architecture of that particular age. But as I say, I've done a video of this before on my channel. I'll put that at the end of the video so you can go and check that out. And I went in the cathedral and I showed you all the different bits, and I told you a bit about the history, about the miners, about the Durham Light Infantry. It's always a bad, isn't it? Well, yeah, we're heading back down here and have a look around for a bit, and then going for somewhere to eat, possibly, as I say, fish and chips, which is always a bonus on a Friday. Friday fish and chips. I also did a walk video, which was after that particular cathedral video I did back in the day, and it was down Drury Lane, down that little doorway I'll show you now, and you just go down there. There's loads and loads of steps, and it leads to the River Wear, and you can have a really great walk around the River Wear and notice all the different buildings, and there's a particular chair there and that you can see as well. So while my wife is in the charity shops having a bit of a look around, We're back at the marketplace and just having a bit of a rest waiting for her. So I thought me and my son would have a little chat between all of us. So what is the favourite thing about Durham?
Ooh, I'd say the train station, because it's got a really nice viaduct, because I like trains. But apart from that, ooh, it's a tough one. I think the cathedral's a lovely site. I think we've always came there. It's always just been nice, and the atmosphere and everything. So
yeah, for me, I think with Durham, it's great, especially if it's a decent sunny day, the spring, sort of summer sort of time when all the flowers are in bloom. It's all, you've got loads of colour, and it's. But even when it's cold, it's great to go into the cathedral and just have a look around, learn about its history. As I say, there's a cafe in there. There's a little gift shop if you want to get yourself something in there. It's all disabled accessible, so you can get wheelchairs, prams and the likes in there, no bother whatsoever. And there's disabled toilets if you need that sort of thing. Other than Durham, what would you say is your other favourite city?
ooh, I'd probably say London, because there's so much there, and every time you go, you find something new. So there's always a reason to come back again.
Yeah, I think I like London, but sometimes it can be a bit busy, it can be a bit hectic. So if you're just having one of those days where you can't think straight, and you're just sort of in your own thing, everybody's just all over the place. But sometimes you can find little spots in London that's quite nice. But I think for me, when it comes to cities, I think I prefer Scotland. I think I like Edinburgh, and I like that sort of area. I really want to go further afield. I would love to sort of go further sort of northwest. We've been to Dundee, we've been to Edinburgh, we've been to Glasgow. Where else have we been?
Ooh, I've been to Stirling.
We've been to Stirling, all on my channel, so check those out. But yeah, we've been to a few places around there. Yeah, I've seen Steve Marsh and Scott from Planes, Trains, Everything. They tend to head over northwest and go over, and I've totally forgotten the name of it, but I'll put it down there. They go sort of all over that sort of northwest area, and it just looks interesting, and it's just beautiful views, less of the concrete and steel and more of the greenery of the countryside, which I love. But yeah, we're just going to hang around here for 10 minutes or so until my wife finishes in the charity shops getting something nice for herself, and hopefully we'll go in somewhere warm, because it is absolutely freezing here, and a bit of cold wind. But I think we're going to find somewhere for food. And what do you reckon? Pizza, fish and chips?
Ooh, fish and chips sound nice.
Yeah, I think all of us have agreed that fish and chips is definitely on the menu, and I think that's what we'll do. What would you choose? If you're going to have takeaway or go into a restaurant and have something, would you have Chinese, Italian? Would you have sort of fish and chips or burgers? What would you go for? Let us know in the comments. Anyway, we're going to go and find somewhere warm to huddle into until she comes out. So see you in a minute. So I'm back at Durham train station. Now while we're in that cafe getting warm and having a lovely cup of tea, we were checking the train times, and unfortunately the train that we were going to be getting later on was cancelled, and I think everybody's starting to get on earlier trains now. So we're thinking it's a wise decision just to sort of cut our losses and get ourselves on the next train home and get some warmth, because it's absolutely freezing. Yeah, we just went around the cathedral and just had a little wander around the shopping area. It's a very short video. There wasn't really much to do because I didn't really want to duplicate the video I've already done. As I say, I will put the Riverway Walk and the cathedral video at the end of here if you want to check them out. And hope you've enjoyed this. It was a fun little trek, and just to see the outside of that cathedral, different angles, and then just have a little wander around inside. It was nice. Yeah, so if you've enjoyed this, give us a like. If you've been to the cathedral before, or if you have got any recommendations of places to go, cities to go around the UK, let me know in the comments. I really want to go and try and travel a little bit more around and find some interesting places. So there's a train about to come, so there's going to be loads of noise. So I keep saying so. Leave us a comment and let us know if you've enjoyed this video. Give us a like, and consider subscribing, because it helps me massively, pushes me videos out there. And as always, take care of yourself, and here's the train. And see you next time. Bye bye.